Guys, we are going to see Iguazu Falls, a natural wonder shared by Argentina, Paraguay and Brazil. This is my second time visiting Iguazu. Last year I went on Brazilian side. With a bunch of friends we enjoyed some stunning views, saw the rainbows, took a crazy macuco boat and saw some wildlife. So the expectations are really high. Truly unforgettable experience, so this time I'm taking my friends to visit Iguazu Falls on Argentinian side. What can go wrong? Hey guys, we just arrived in Iguazu and it's raining as fuck. We're not gonna see anything. Helpful tips, there is no Uber to get from the airport, so we had to get a taxi. The return taxi cost us about like $20. We made it to Iguazu, not without adventures. Our return flight is cancelled, so we tried to call the airline to rebook it, but no success. What else? On top of that, it's raining. Okay, let's get into the park. They have pumas. Apparently we have to take a train to get to the waterfalls. How cool. Iguazu Falls is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world, located on the border of Argentina and Brazil. The falls are formed by the Iguazu River and consist of around 275 individual waterfalls spread across a wide area, making it one of the largest waterfall systems globally. The name Iguazu means big water in the Guarani language, which aptly describes the sheer volume and grandeur of its natural spectacle. On the Argentine side, there are several hiking trails that allow visitors to explore and experience the falls up close. Some of the prominent trails include Devil's Throat, which is the most impressive section of the falls. Unfortunately, by the time of our visit, this trail is not available. The bridges of the trail got destroyed, so the options we have are the upper circuit and the lower circuit. So we're gonna start with the upper circuit to enjoy panoramic views of the falls from above. From there, we descend to lower circuit. The trail offers a close-up view of the waterfalls from the bottom. It's a series of walkways and bridges that take us near to the base of several falls, allowing for incredible views and the chance to feel the power of the rushing water. We really enjoyed this beautiful day at the waterfalls. So now we're heading back to the airport to see what happens with our flight. Guys, you won't believe what just happened. Our flight got cancelled, so we're gonna fly the next day, and our cheapest airline got us a 5-star hotel and an amazing driver to get us there and back. So expectations are high. So welcome to our 5-star hotel. Thank you our airline for giving us this hotel room. And it's not only that. We have dinner included, spa included, breakfast included. They have a park, they have a lake, they have koi fish. Oh my god. Let all the flights in the world be delayed. got so cold and soaked in the jungle, so having a spa experience as a gift was the best thing ever. Muchísimas gracias. It was such a beautiful surprise. Iguazu let us stay for one day longer. It was amazing. When you travel, there are so many things that can go wrong, but quite often disruptions turn into adventures to be remembered. So keep your mind open and enjoy the good surprises the universe has in store for you. And I see you in the next video.